Hey guys, welcome back to Osec School with a new video stating 30 ringgit unlimited data plans that are currently available in Malaysia as of 2020. Now, cellular providers have evolved since 20 years ago. Slowly afterwards, internet packages started to exist and more internet packages have become more and more competitive than they were before. Most consumers in Malaysia uses prepaid plans. Data packages have evolved in prepaid plans, especially in the lower tier, and also for plans that only cost 30 ringgit. Unlimited data now exists and it has evolved ever since. Most people actually switch over to 4G data to replace their existing ADSL connection. Not gonna tell you what the ADSL provider is, but I'm gonna tell you that most of us now rely on 4G LTE to maintain our internet workload and also our digital lifestyle. With that said, let me give you a look on the 30 ringgit unlimited internet packages offered by two main carriers, starting off with Yes4G. So starting off with Yes4G, we have Yes Confirm Unlimited SD EPIK. Now this package offers 3 megabits per second unlimited data, SD video playback, 1 gigabyte of hotspot for 7 days, and unlimited yes-to-yes calling. Now immediately with this plan, you can already see a few caveats. The first one is the SD video playback. First of all, the SD video playback is a limitation to what the quality you can use to watch videos, especially on YouTube. For example, SD video is technically 480p, so you cannot go anything higher than 480p. You're stuck at that resolution, which means that if you want to view it on a larger screen with a higher pixel count, for example a Full HD display, you'll be limited to 480p and you cannot watch videos at 1080p resolution. Second caveat is the 1 gigabyte of hotspot for 7 days. Let's say for example you want to use your computer or other devices in case of an emergency and you have the SIM card in your device. Your device has hotspot capability, but Yes4G only offers you 1 gigabyte hotspot for 7 days. So let me give you an example. After 7 days, you have no more hotspot. So when you're gonna hotspot to your computer, it's not going to work. And it will be better off if they have included some calling to other service providers as well, because most people don't even use Yes4G as their main service provider according to Wikipedia right now. Alright, so let's take a look at the second plan, which is by Umobile. Umobile's GILER Unlimited GX30, which also offers 3 megabits per second unlimited data, but this time with 3 gigabytes of hotspot for 30 days. So for the whole period when you're using the unlimited data, you get to use your 3 gigabyte hotspot anytime. Also unlimited video playback. So according to what I know, video playback is not limited to 480p. You can watch up to 720p, 1080p, or even 4K if you can wait for it to load. And then there's another advantage of using Umobile's GX30. You get 5 ringgit rebate for 6 months if you port in your number to Umobile. So you get to pay only 25 ringgit for 6 months, which is also a great way to save money. So you may be asking, well, Yes4G actually has substantial coverage because it is only 4G. Now here's the thing, Yes4G only uses 2 LTE bands, band 38 and band 40. These two bands are technically known as TDD LTE that most devices won't have. It's a newer technology than FDD LTE, which is actually a problem for most FDD LTE devices. So let me give you an example. The Samsung Galaxy Note 3 that was released back in 2013 only supports FDD LTE. So if you're gonna put this SIM card into the Galaxy Note 3, it will say no service or it will only say emergency calls because the bands that are on Yes4G does not support the Galaxy Note 3. Umobile's coverage and Yes coverage are substantially different. Yes only has 4G, but Umobile has backup coverage. For example, they have 3G and 2G. Now, Umobile coverage is actually quite weak back in the days, and it has a reputation for that. But today, their coverage have improved a lot since then. I use Umobile for a lot, especially in major cities and also on the highways. You can get full 4G LTE without any problems. Speeds have also improved, and watching videos are technically a breeze. So in most areas, Umobile is going to be just fine. But unlike Yes4G, because it has no backup 3G and 2G data, you cannot stream anything because there's no backup coverage and you get weaker coverage overall. So at the end of the day, the winner is still going to be Umobile. With Umobile's substantial coverage and also better pricing and also better features, I think for most people, Umobile is more than enough for their needs. Alright, thank you for watching and goodbye.